Hello viewers, welcome to the Adobe Illustrator world. This is the second class and it's also the introductory of selection tool and the rectangle tool. Now I will show you the use of selection tool and also the rectangle tool. I am going to the toolbar and now here is a rectangle tool. Just select this rectangle tool by clicking on it. After that, come to this artboard and click on this artboard. I mean, just click on it. After that, this is called a dialog box. Here is the size of this rectangle tool. It's about in point. I mean PT. PT means point. Now I am selecting the width of this rectangle tool. I am selecting here 100 and then I am selecting 150 points. Now click on OK. After that I am going to this selection tool and selecting this and clicking outside of this shape, I mean in this artboard. Just click the left button of your mouse. Look at this shape, it is now deselected. By this selection tool we can also select this. Just come on this shape and then just click the left button of your mouse and select it now. And then if you click on this artboard, then it will be deselect. Now it's deselected and come to the menu bar. Here is menu bar. Go to the edit option and click on it. Here is a command. This is called the command, and from here I am going to this point, I mean clear, and just click on it. The artboard, I mean it is deleted. After that, go to the rectangle tool again and select it, and then click the left button of your mouse and hold it. Then move your mouse from one place to another place. It's called dragging. Now free it or drop it, and I am dropping it now. This is the another way. And after that, go to the selection tool again and just come to your keyboard and press the delete of it. Now the rectangle tool has gone out from this artboard. This is the another way to delete a shape or any object. Okay, shape is a object. Now you can see more things. What is that? That is, go to the rectangle tool again and now press the shift key of your keyboard and then click the left button of your mouse and move your mouse one place to another and drag it. This is a square shape, and now free your mouse and shift key also, I mean drop it now, and this is a shape, but this shape is equal in all the sides, I mean this line, this line, this line, and also this line. All these lines are equal. This is called a square shape. When you would like to draw any square shape, then you must have to press the shift key of your keyboard. Now go to the selection key again. See, there are few points. I mean this point, here is a smaller square bar, this point, like all of these. This is called handle. This is called handle. And there is another name of it. What is that? That is, in the corner side there are four sign or four smaller square sign. It's called the anchor point of this rectangle shape or of this object. In another four, which is in the middle of line, I mean this one, this one, this one, and also this one. This 4 point is also called path point. This is path point. After that, there are also four circle point in the inner side of this shape. Which is that? That is it. It's called the ARC tool. This is called the ARC tool. Now it's okay. I think it's okay. After that, if you go to the corner point of this shape, I mean into this corner point, then you are watching the cursor point is changed. That is the double arrow sign and also a straight line. At this position, if you just click the left button of your mouse and hold it, then drag it to the upside, then it will be bigger in size. After that, if you come in inner side, then it will be smaller in size. If you drag it, then it will be bigger in all sides. I mean left side, right side, bottom side, and also the upside. If I like to small it, then come to the inner side and drop it. All the line is smaller. After that, if you go to the path point, I mean in this point, and come here, look at this cursor pointer. It's double arrow sign and also a straight line. At that time, I am clicking the left button of this mouse and then hold it and go to the right side of your face. I mean drag it to the right side and now drop it. Now see this shape. Only the vertical line is bigger, but the horizontal line, I mean left line and the right line is also similar. Only the vertical line, I mean upper side line and the bottom side line is bigger. If I come again here and drag it to the inner side, then also the vertical line is smaller. Okay, this is the way to change the shape of Illustrator. Now come to the another point. If I go to the corner point of this shape, I mean in this point which is in the inner side of this circle, then just click the left button of your mouse and hold it. After that, drag it into the inner side of this circle. Now drop it. By this ARC point, you can change the shape corner angle. After that, go to the selection key and select it, and just click on this artboard and deselect it. After that, go to the out of this corner point. Then the cursor pointer is in another shape. If you click the left button of your mouse and hold it, and then you can drag it to the left or to the right and drop it now. In this way, you can change, I mean, you can rotate this shape. Okay. After that, another important point. What is that? That is, select this and come to this rotation point and drag it. After dragging this shape, I will press the shift key of the keyboard. Then I will drag it. If I press the shift key of our keyboard, then it will rotate in 45-degree angle per rotation. This is 45-degree angle and then 45-degree angle. After that, 45-degree angle. Drop it now. Okay. And now go to the toolbar again and select this rectangle tool. Draw another shape. This is another shape. Now just click on this selection tool and come on this shape and press the shift button of your keyboard. After pressing the shift key, you just click on it. Now look, both of these all are selected now. This is the way to select another shape or several shapes at a time. There is another way of it. How? Just click on this artboard and deselect all of these. And then go to the outside of this shape and click the left button of your mouse and hold it and then drag it over to shape and then drop it. Now both of these are also selected. This is the way to select several shapes at a time. Now you can also do something else. Just come on it and then click the left button of your mouse and hold it and drag here and drop it now. This is the movement of the shape. By this selection key, you can also move the object. Select this one and then drag and drop it here. Select this one and drag and drop it here. Select this one and drag and drop it here. Now, bye bye. See you next.